Always put in my mind that I beat Barrera, but so I did not speak this knockout. I did not speak. I knocked him out in the 11th round. I know in the 3rd round I hit hard and then he stopped. I thought the 12th round is finished. In the 4th round I know the fight style him, but I did not speak to knock him out. In the training, Brady Rhodes knows how to speed in my left hand. 2 months, we study his style in 2 months, so I'm not surprised. Inano ko na concentrate ako sa laban para hindi ako mawala sa focus ko. Yung concentration ko sa laban. Sa tingin ko, masaya yung mga kababayan ko. So I know it's our countryman is my countryman is very happy. Now I'm super touched to the eyes of the people, but in myself I don't want to. I will still before down. I will still down.